Hi everyone. Today, we are going to learn a super useful trick in QGIS, how to calculate the sum of values in your attribute table using a simple expression. This method is quick, efficient, and perfect for getting total counts or measurements from your spatial data. Let's dive right into it and get those numbers summed up. First, open your QGIS project and make sure your layer is visible in the Layers panel. You need to open the attribute table for the layer you want to work with. To do this, simply right-click on your desired layer in the Layers panel. Then, select Open Attribute Table from the context menu. This will display all the data associated with your features in a tabular format. Once the attribute table is open, look for the Open Field Calculator button. It usually looks like an abacus or a calculator icon. Click on this button to open the Field Calculator dialog. This is where we will build our sum expression. Inside the field calculator, we need to set up how our sum will appear. Make sure to check the box that says Create a new field. This will create a brand new column in your attribute table to store the calculated sum. Give your new field a clear and descriptive name. For example, you could type total sum into the output field name box. Next, choose the output field type. Since sums can often include decimals, decimal number, real, is usually the best choice. You can also set the precision to control the number of decimal places, perhaps 2 or 3, depending on your needs. Now, for the core of our task, writing the expression. In the large expression window, we will use a powerful aggregate function called sum. This function is designed to add up all the values from a specified column. To tell the sum function which column to calculate, you need to put the column's name inside the parentheses. It's very important to enclose the column name in double quotes. For example, if you want to sum the values from a column named population, your expression would look like this: sum, population. You can find a list of all your available field names under the Fields and Values section in the middle panel of the field calculator. Simply double-click on the field name you want to sum to automatically insert it into your expression. This expression, sum, your field name, will calculate one single total sum for all the values in that column across your entire layer. This total sum value will then be placed into every single row of your newly created total sum field. This is how aggregate functions work when applied to the entire layer without specific grouping. Once you have typed your expression correctly, double-check it for any typos. The preview panel might show you the result for the first row, but remember, sum calculates for the whole layer. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the field calculator dialog. A new field will instantly appear in your attribute table, usually at the far right. This new field, total sum in our example, will contain the single calculated total sum value, repeated for every feature in your layer. You have now successfully calculated the total sum of a field in your QGIS attribute table using a simple and effective expression. This skill is incredibly useful for various mapping and analysis tasks. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow and that you learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more QGIS tips, tricks, and tutorials. Your support helps me create more content for you. See you in the next video.